Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Quincy. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. No, hey. Yo, what's good? What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Quincy. I'm back with another reaction video. Yo, you know what I'm saying? This garbage truck be blowing the fuck at me every time. But today's video, I'm going to be reacting to Trey Bill's Sweet Life of Trey Bill's episode 1, Life on the Boat. Oh my God, this man is stupid. Brother Beers is stupid for this title. Talk about some sweet life, talking about Zack and Cody. Hey, that's a good ass TV show, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, if you give a thumbs up, if you don't give a thumbs down, I don't know why. I really don't care, it's just YouTube. Shit. If you want to see more reaction videos, go ahead and go on my channel, you know what I'm saying? Also, don't forget to turn on the post notifications to be first on the fact every time when I post a video. And last, don't forget to follow up my social media right here. That's if you want to follow me, you know what I'm saying? You ain't got to follow me. I don't care. You know what I'm saying? I'm just putting it out there for the ones that do want to follow me and stuff. You know what I'm saying? But without further ado, let's get straight into this video. I ain't hear this intro in a minute. The Sweet Life of Trey Bill's.
What it do? It's your boy Mr. I do this for real. Hold up, y'all said.
I ain't hear that intro in a long time.
My name is Mr. Bills. I do this for real. Yeah, dig. Y'all see, man, by the title, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications when you edit, get that bell right there, or ring it, ding it, ding, ding. 405.
Damn.
I'm back in my bags. My bags, you know what I'm saying?
His house like it's cold as hell up in that house.
It's like on a cruise.
Don't y'all once y'all look at something, y'all can tell y'all know how to feel at their place. Like damn, it's like it's cold as hell. You know what I'm saying? But let's get back to this video.
Feel me? Of course, y'all know, man. I gotta vlog it up. Y'all gonna go on this journey with me. I'm excited. We've been waiting a long time for this. Me and my family. Good morning, Ashton. Good morning. Everybody's kind of tired, so you know, moods are very shifty and up in the air right now. Hey, Mom.
What's up?
Hey, Aunt.
Hey, here we go.
Her mama always got energy. His twin Morgan.
Okay. Yes, sir. Real birds right there, y'all.
Yeah, she pretty too.
Yes, sir. So you know what I'm saying? So like I said in my song, man, sometimes the Fendi, sometimes the Vichy.
Stupid.
Look, man, we finna get on the road, man. On the way to our destination. I'm gonna try to vlog a little bit while I'm on the road, so y'all stay tuned. You know, it's that time. But we gotta say a little family prayer before we hit this road. Y'all stay tuned, man. I'm excited. Don't skip.
I like how him and his family they will. I don't know how to say it. They not broken, you know what I'm saying? Like some families is, like my family, we broken. We don't. They pray together. They always do. See, his family. They're like a perfect family. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Let's get back to this video. They raised them right.
The boat, you dig?
Swerving.
Yo, so you know, we on the road, and you know, I just woke up, and you know, out of nowhere. Morgan, how you feeling up there, Mogo?
I'm alright.
You alright?
I'm alright.
Yeah, I was in. Ashton, you next.
Yeah, she got a good
Here we talk right there.
Ready for it? Hey, look, so you know, while we was driving on the road, right? we just seen this one random tire on fire. Like, what them niggas got going on in South Georgia? Y'all niggas just showing out that shit, man. And then everybody just walking outside taking pictures of the one tire on fire. Like, niggas is happy about one tire on fire. Like, these niggas is showing out, but
you know, it's so crazy though. That's how it is. That's how it is in reality, man. That's crazy. Like, if they see anything, oh shit, video record, oh. That's how it is. Stopping it. You know what I'm saying? People always be quick to pick out their phones, like, look, hey, damn, to get some views and shit out there. But that's how it is nowadays. You know what I'm saying? It always been like that. That's how life is. Like, but yeah, let's get back to this video.
Already though, man. So the Bills Way EP on the way.
He did some good. He got some good songs on there. It's doing good
EP
too.
on the way. So yeah, I hope y'all are ready. And my sister is supposed to be like following my mom, but my sister's driving extra slow right now.
Why you ain't drive?
How fast model move? A bigger engine.
Yes. She's got a V6. I got a V4.
Ashley, bounce out that 4-4. Bounce out that 4-4. I'm probably gonna fall asleep again, but yeah, man. I just wanted to, you know, give y'all a little update of what's going on so far. We 3 hours in. We got 3 more hours to go.
Oh, you're driving to Miami. You can see the ass.
Alright, you guys, so currently right now we're in Tampa Bay. The sign right there, if y'all know about the Tampa Bay Buccaneers.
I need to go down there, like towards Florida.
Yes, this is Florida. This is Florida, and I'm your travel agent, Trey Bills. As you see right here, we have the beautiful trees, and the trees are palm trees. And with these,
I have the nature lesson.
and with these palm trees is a habitat for koala bears. I
He
don't
should be one
really
of them for real though.
the boats right now, but we're like literally 7 minutes away. 7 minutes away from incitement, 7 minutes away from security checkpoints. Shout out to Asher for driving. Shout out to Mobiles for driving. Shout out to Trey for back here chilling, keeping everything cool and copacetic in the whip like I do. It's your boy. It's your boy. I'm finna be showing y'all all of this whole trip, man. Like you know, life on the boat. You know what I'm saying, with Trey Bills. I'm excited. I know y'all excited. Y'all just go along with this journey with me, and we gonna go ahead and pipe it up. Pipe it up, pipe it up, ooh.
Pop it up in style.
So you already see, man, right now I'm in front of the Carnival Cruise, you know what I'm saying?
That's
the
a
Miracle.
big
It's been a
ass
long
boat.
time since I've been on a cruise. Last time I was on a cruise was, I think about like a good 6 years ago. Now that I'm grown, I'm an adult, considered, I'm able to really enjoy myself on this cruise. I'm quite anxious to get on this boat because I haven't been on a boat.
I know what he meant when what he said. He could enjoy himself. That means from liquor. He could smoke some weed. You know what I'm saying? He could do legal shit. Cause he's older now. You know what I'm saying? But let's get back to this video.
In so long, and just look at it. It just looks beautiful. This is gonna be a great cruise. I'm so excited. I know that the Bills Way EP is dropping, but I had to come on this cruise, get my mind right, because it's about to be a long journey, a long journey. The supporters, you, thank y'all for supporting me day in, day out, putting in that work like me. You know what I'm saying?
Even though that some people think I be hating on him, I genuinely support him in every though. I really do. Like I said before. Like I said, I do this shit to everybody I support. Like if I say some bullshit, I'm gonna call it out. You know what I'm saying? It might not be bullshit to y'all, but it's bullshit to me. You know what I'm saying? That's because I call out bullshit or say my opinion about something. That don't mean I'm hating on somebody. Some of y'all people that be watching them, they be watching me too, and they be talking some shit about me. Y'all gotta stop, boy. Y'all gotta stop that. Stop that. Just like. Never mind, cause y'all want me to get it done, cause this video will be long, cause the way I for to tell y'all. But let's get back to this video.
And you know, I just want to say, look, I love each and every single last one of y'all. And if it wasn't for y'all, I would not be here. I'm gonna try my best to get as much footage as I can for you guys, so you guys can kind of go on this little trip with me. Y'all buckle up the seatbelts. Yeah, dig!
Yeah, dig! Hey, man, it's like I smell.
2 hours later.
Mama Bill.
Watermelon hit. Watermelon hit. Let's hit. Yeah, dude.
We all over 21. We finally legal. Before 7 years ago, you know, we were barely teenagers. Couldn't really do anything. We was in the teen club, O2. Club O2. This time, we're gonna be lit. It's gonna be a lituation. Anything is possible.
What I tell y'all in the beginning. What I said Trey meant, that he could find new things that he want to do. Yeah, that's all I mean. Trying to get off that liquor, bro. I can some illegal shit, you know what I'm saying? Don't get away with it, you know what I'm saying? Like adult shit, you know what I'm saying? Some of you kids gonna understand that right now, you know what I'm saying? I'm talking to the adults, yeah. But let's get back to this video.
We're doing it big, baby. We're doing it big on the Carnival Miracle. Miracles happen every day, you know what I'm saying? Every day.
Right now we going to check. You know what I'm saying? They gotta see if everybody on here. You feel me? Yeah, so
damn.
Did y'all see?
That shit's so fucking crazy. They all three look like triplets. Damn. Mo and Trey, I don't know who Trey look like more, but Mo look like they mama more. Mo is they mama twin. Trey like his mama and his daddy. That's how when I look at Mama Bills, I be like, damn, Trey look just like her. And every time I look at Papa Bill, I'm like, damn, Trey look just like him too. But I say Trey look more like Papa Bills. You know what I'm saying? He got, I don't know. He probably got, I don't know. He got some of both. You know what I'm saying? But Mo, she got Mama Bills all the way. But let's get straight back to this video.
Everybody is lined up. Man, so far so good. It's just been real hot lately. Just trying to see what they got us going on. They about to give us the instructions, I guess. Tell us what's going on, what not to do, what to do.
I can't talk about traveling right now. I can't wait.
Go all down there. It's crazy how many people on this boat, but I'm excited.
Because they're both big as hell.
Right now, I'm about to take y'all up to see the sunset. I'm kind of tired right now. I want to take a nap, but we've been partying. I couldn't have my camera out.
So your ass always tired,
They didn't want me to really be, having too many people without their consent in my videos and stuff. So I said, okay, cool. I'm still gonna try to vlog as much as I can. It's been a very adventurous day. I'm actually tired. I just got done eating like a little dinner or whatever. And usually they have this event where you eat with the captain or whatever, but I didn't go eat the captain. I'm just gonna eat solo and call it a night, you know what I'm saying? So we're finna go see this sunset. I want to make sure that I vlog for you guys so you guys can get to see Trey's boat life, you know what I'm saying? I actually was playing ball earlier, actually. Like, I haven't touched the pool yet, but I actually was playing basketball, like, and it's so crazy because I didn't actually think they was gonna have a basketball court on the ship, you know what I'm saying? And I was balling.
You'll be surprised.
Look at this.
That's a nice ass. Yo, look at that. That's the Atlantic Ocean horizons. Spare your horizon. Damn, that boat big.
Long life?
Yes, sir.
Hashtag long life?
Yeah, vlog life, you already know. You in the vlog?
Yeah,
Vlog life, yes sir.
yeah. Who's got a hole in one?
Who's got a hole? Let me see you get home. Okay.
Ah. Oh, rest in peace to him. Rest in peace to him. He recently just died in October last year.
Oh, almost. I'm bringing on the court. Hey, I ain't gonna cap. I kind of tan the little son. Y'all like that tan? Look, check to eat the tan. Y'all see what's going on, man.
This man here. He with that damn vest on. I don't get the point of that damn vest though. That vest is so fucking ugly though. Like I see a lot of people wear that shit. I'm like, what the fuck is that? Y'all not the fucking police? Well, I guess it's fashion. I see everybody wear that damn ugly ass vest shit. You know what I'm saying? But let's get back to this video.
Alright guys, so that wraps it up. I was balling. I'm tired, I need some water. I'm hot, drained, tired, need some rest. But everybody on the boat is pretty cool. I miss my airy pool. I need something to drink before I fall out.
We miss a little airy pool. You miss a little spoon. You know what I'm saying? I know y'all tired of me saying this, but I know the trade for the. Oh my God, he misses airy pool. Oh, he misses airy pool. Man, well, I bet they scream the hell out this part. I love the Cherry Squad. Well, the ones that don't talk nothing bad about. I mess with the ones that mess with me. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I mess with the Cherry supporters that mess with me. You know what I'm saying? That watch me. You know what I'm saying? Forget the rest of it. They don't really count. I'm talking about the ones that supports me and watch me. I don't really care about the other Cherry supporters like that, the one that talk shit about me. Which I know they be talking about me because people telling me that they be talking shit about me. Come on now. Duh. But let's get back to this video.
Everything was cool. I balled. We'll ball again tomorrow. That's all I've been drinking on the boat. Water.
That's the best with the meat. Water and juice. Don't fuck with no pop. Well, soda's some of y'all. I know that water good as hell.
That's good right there. So, I'm about to go to the room, take a shower. But today, first day of life on the boat with Trey. It was a success. If y'all like this, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Hit that bell and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Subscribe as well. Like I said, I'm about to go to the room. I'm tired, but I love you all. Thank you for supporting me. The Bills Way album dropping soon. Bills Way EP dropping soon. I'm so ready. I know y'all ready too. Y'all be easy, man. I love y'all.
Though. But my first song on that's on my mind. That's my shit. Like I said in my last video. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
Hey. Oh. You niggas is lame, swerving them lanes in the cool shit giving brain. Not playing no games, you want it for fame, you did it just for the fame.
She fucking with clout. Look at that in her mouth. Hey.
What a good day. What a good day.
Yeah, man. I ain't react to no Trey Bills in a fucking long ass time, bro. Damn. Cause I be having other videos that got other supporters that watch my videos, that watch other people's videos, you know what I'm saying? I know they don't want to see no all I ain't just Aries and Trey Beers all the damn time. They want to see other videos being reacted to. Well, plus I had to get Trey Beers in the break. I really used to react to them a lot. Man, it's like other people used to get mad. Oh, we always react to them all the time. Well, I react to what people request me to react to. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, if you like the video, give a thumbs up. If you don't, give a thumbs down. I don't know why. I really don't care because you too. If you want to see more reaction videos and other videos to me, make sure you guys go on my channel and check out my videos. If you like my videos on my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? Also, don't forget to turn your post notifications to be first notified every time I post a video. And last, don't forget to follow my social media to be right here. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Peace.